This is Motorola Moto G53, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I'm going to demonstrate you can set up the fingerprint recognition as your screen unlock method. So first of all, you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the security and privacy category. Where is it? Here it is, or security in particular. Then go for the fingerprint section, choose the regular screen lock method you would like to go alongside the fingerprint unlock, set your desired password, choose what notifications will be visible at the lock screen, and after that you can start setting up the fingerprint. The sensor is located at the as you can see at the side power key, so just gradually lay and lift your finger onto the scanner until it entire finger gets correctly enrolled, thus scanned. Okay, here I have mine successfully installed and enrolled. Now we can start unlocking the screen with it. As you can see, the scanner works perfectly fine. So here you have it. The next two tips actually are located at the display category of settings, so let me quickly enter it. The first option I wanted to show you today is called display refresh rate. You have two values to choose from, 60 and 120 Hz. Higher value will get you smoother and silkier animations and overall visual experience, while 60 Hz will provide you with a longer or lower, should I rather say, battery consumption or power consumption. But you can just set this value to be automatic and let the system decide what is the best refresh rate for each individual moment you use your device. The next display option I wanted to demonstrate is called Big Display, or it is actually better known as its always on display alias. So turn it on by tapping at this toggle, go into options settings. In here you can change the clock design that you'll go with. You can also decide if the background of the big display will be animated or not. See if you would like for big display to vibrate on touch, enable or disable the safe reply feature, and block certain apps from sending their notifications to the AOD. So now let's see what we have resulted with. In order to show it, just gotta tap at your screen, perhaps. Or did I forget to actually set the AOD to be visible? Let me double check real quick. Alrighty, so I apparently did not. So let me turn my screen off one more time and see if the big display appears or not. It should appear right away, or probably I need to. Okay, yeah, I probably was required to wake up the screen by tapping on it somehow. Not sure how many times should I tap. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, probably you have to tap once, but forcefully, strongly, yep. So here you have it. Here is the AOD in action. Even though in sloppy action, but still in action nonetheless. So the next option is rather a small one, the smallest one in this video for sure. So as you can see, currently my battery percentage is not displayed at the status bar. So if I would like to show it over here, I will need to go into battery category and simply turn it on. So here you have it. The fifth and final one is a performance-related feature. You can find and access it by entering the system category of settings, then go in for the performance section, and in here go into the RAM boost page. So basically, by enabling and rebooting your device, by enabling this toggle and rebooting your device, you'll get an additional 1 GB of random access memory, which the system will achieve by occupying the respective amounts of internal storage space. And obviously this additional RAM will be virtual in opposed of the hardware you have quite literally installed inside your phone frame. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye!